Welcome back to Paragon Chiropractic. In the topic of spinal stability, we're going to talk about bracing. What is bracing? Bracing is your body's ability to engage muscles around the spine to give your spine support. Now, this can be done when you're working out, or it can be done just for your day-to-day activities, if you're going to bend over to pick up a case of water, anything like that. But what is bracing, right? So bracing is basically flexing your abs. So you're going to contract and flex your abs, right? Make sure, one of the common faults is don't hold your breath, right? Because if you hold your breath, you're going to pass out, you're going to hit your head. We're not trying to injure anybody, we're trying to improve you, right? So make sure that you're not holding your breath, you're breathing. So you want to flex your abs and make sure you're breathing and hold that. Hold that for about 5 seconds and then relax, right? One of the ways you can tell if you're doing it right, you can put your hands on your waist, and when you flex your abs, you're gonna feel a little bit of push into your hands, right? Because you're engaging your abs, right? And then that's gonna expand out a little bit. So it's not a big feel, it'll be very, very subtle. So if you flex and contract, you'll feel a little bit of a push out here. Again, the importance of bracing and why, right? In the previous video, we were talking about a building and being supported by columns around it. That's what bracing is when we're active. So this should be done if you're an avid gym goer or just work out, whatever your exercise may be. If you're doing any kind of lifting, whether it's back squatting, bench pressing, doing a burpee, right? Make sure that you're bracing while doing the exercise so you give your spine support. I understand sometimes in the middle of the exercise of the workout, you might not always be bracing, and that's fine, but make sure that if you're doing any kind of exercise bout over 80% of a 1 rep max, meaning if you're bench pressing, pretty heavy or towards your heaviest lift, make sure you brace as you're doing that exercise. That's why it's important not to hold your breath. So practice, you can practice throughout the day, when you're seated, when you're standing, when you're at work, you're at home, whatever that may be. You can turn this into an all-day kind of workout, right? It's really a really good way to stabilize the spine when you're active to avoid any shearing or any injury into the spine. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos of spinal stability.